Quickly guys, look at my screen and tell me what you see. Tell me what you observe. Just look at the screen and use your eyes. Tell me what you see. Of course, this is an indicator based strategy, but I want you to use your eyes and just look at the market, look at the my screen, I mean. Okay, look at the indicators, tell me what you see. Okay, let me snap you out of it. So you can notice that at areas like this there are spikes. All right, at areas like that there are spikes, and you can see here another spike, spiked here, spiked here. It's still spiked around this level. All right, if I keep good, this is another good one, you can see all the spikes at those levels. All right, but here is where this trade was taken, around this level. Okay, of course this is 1 minute time frame, so you can see the multiple spikes that I have caught on this trade. Now this is my entry. I have closed out a couple of positions that I opened. I like to stack positions because I'm tired of suffering. I want to make a lot of money. Okay, so this is it. Of course you don't want to follow me if you don't know how to risk properly. Okay, you need to always maintain risk management. Is very important, so don't let what I just said to confuse you. Okay, so yeah, this is the entry, this is the entry point. This is crash 300 and we'll be catching multiple spikes. This strategy is purely indicator based. It's very simple to replicate, it's very simple to use. Okay, and very effective. It's very simple and very effective, guys. This strategy has made me some good money, trust me, it has made me some good money. So if you are looking to just trade based off or based on indicators, yeah, this is the right indicator settings for you. I'm going to show you the settings quickly, but before I do that, guys, quickly smash the subscribe button, guys. Please do that for me. I know you have a good heart. Smash the subscribe button, yeah, and turn on your notification bell. That is very important so that you get all the information I'll be posting on this platform firsthand. All right, also do well to share with your friends. Make sure you don't consume all this information by yourself. All right, it's good to share, so you just make sure you share this with your friends and help them learn through and make money for themselves too, guys. This is free indicator and I want you to be benevolent with it, okay, and share with your friends. All right, that being said, let's go straight to it. Let's go straight to it. So in this strategy we'll be using just two very powerful indicator settings, free indicators, guys, very powerful indicator settings I'm about to share with you guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, now for you to be able to to maximize the potential of this very powerful strategy, you need to apply some sense into this trade. Okay, you need to apply some sense into this strategy. Okay, you don't want to totally just blindly just take trades. Okay, so that's why I said from the beginning of this video, look at the screen, tell me what you see. Of course you can't see anything clearly here apart from the indicators. All right, I was trying to show you guys where what happens when this Ichimoku gets to areas like this. All right, you see, this is what happens, spikes upon spikes. But for you to be able to use this indicator effectively, you need to be able to follow these two simple rules that I'm going to share with you. Number one thing is know the market direction. It's very important. Know the market direction, and you don't want to study the market direction looking at the 1 minute time frame. You want to go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, you want to go to the daily time frame, the 1 hour time frame, as the case may be, whatever time frame that you see a clear direction. As far as it's the higher time frame, 4 hours is cool, daily is cool, sometimes 1 hour works also. All right, so you want to get to those areas first of all and see what the market is doing before you make your decision. Okay, before you make your decision, you want to get to those areas and see what the market is doing before you make your decision. So if you quickly go, this is the crash market. Yeah, this is the crash market. This is crash 300, and you could use this strategy for crash 1000, crash 500. You could use it for boom and crash, for boom 1000, boom 500. Every boom market, every boom and crash market that you want to be trading on. I'm actually trading VIX 25 on my other accounts while I'm making this video, so forgive me if you keep hearing the breaks and all right. It's in profit right now. My VIP members are on this trade currently. All right, so to be able to get this strategy to work for you effectively, go to higher time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, and check the direction of the market. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see how it looks like. Okay, here you can notice that the market has been trending to the downside. All right, you can see clearly that the market has been trending to the downside. Now what this does for you is it gives you a clear direction of the market. Now you know that the market is going downwards. Okay, now you have an idea that the market is going downwards. What do you want to do? You want to look at the second rule, which is know your area where you want to trade from. Have an area in mind that, this is the area where I want to be entering this market from. I believe we all know that for the crash markets, if you are trying to catch spikes, you want to be selling. That means you want to see a downtrend and you want to follow it downwards. All right, want to keep going downwards with the trend. So once we have seen a downtrend on a higher time frame, the next thing we want to do is get to highlight an area where you want to be trading from. That is, you want to see that price has come to that area before you place a trade. So on this time frame, I would make, you guys have seen I'm already on this trade. Yeah, I already closed out a couple of positions. I'm just leaving this for the purpose of this trade. I'm just leaving this for the purpose of this trade. Of this video, right? Okay, so this is an area where I think price is always going to reverse from. That means when price comes to that area, it will continue downwards. Okay, if it comes to that area, it will react on that area, right? If price came beneath, if price came under that area, close to, let's say price was coming from this level up to that area, it will reverse. Okay, that's what I assume. Okay, this is not clear enough, so let's do it on the lower time frame, the 1 hour time frame. This is going to give you a clearer picture of what I'm talking about. So you can see that here, right around that area, you can see that whenever price comes to that zone, it goes back, right? Whenever price comes to that zone, it reverses. You can see clearly, right? You can see here too, price came on that area and reversed. All right, it happened here too. Okay, so you need to see a couple of reversal points around that area. Now understand that the line that you are going to place there, the horizontal line, does not tell you that price must reverse on this line. You get, it's just helping you to highlight the area so that you don't trade from a wrong zone. Okay, so having put those two things in place, okay, you can now switch to a lower time frame. For me, I like to always go from, I don't like to skip any time frame. I like to go down to the last time frame accordingly. I don't like to skip any time frame. So as you keep scrolling through the time frames, you keep seeing other stuffs, right? You keep seeing other areas, other confirmations, other familiar candlestick patterns, or whatever you are familiar with, that would still solidify your entry. Okay, so we go down quickly. Let's make this fast. I don't want to delay this, so I can go back to my trade. I'm trading on my other account. All right, so now we are back to the 1 minute time frame, and we are back to using the indicators now. Yeah, we are back to using indicators. So first of all, let me quickly show you guys the indicator settings. So yeah, let me quickly show you guys the settings of the indicators. Right, like I said, we would be needing just relative strength index and Ichimoku for this strategy. All right, so for relative strength index, you go for period 14, apply to close, styles to pixel. For the styles, of course, you need to be using colors that match with the background. Okay, so for me, my background is white, so I'm using white color, and the level is the last thing you're going to have to change on this indicator. You can see I have 90, 10, 20, and 80. All right, so you're done with that. Simply just click done, and once you add that to your chart, this is for people that are really new into this. Okay, once you add that to your chart, it automatically creates an indicator window 1 for you, and that's where you will be adding the next indicator, which is the Ichimoku. So you click you click all right, you simply just click sorry about the break. I told you guys before, I'm trying to look at my computer. All right, so you click the F sign here, the F plus sign here on the indicator window, and add the next indicator, which is the Chimoku. So this is the settings. All right, you can quickly just screenshot this. We have Tekken Sen is 5, Kijun Sen is 2, the span B is 52. You should fill this box. All right, just quickly just take note of this and arrange them. Make sure you enter them on your indicator exactly as it is here. But for the colors, yeah, make sure you use colors that match with your chart. Okay, you can see I'm using the first is white, the second is white, up Como I'm using blue, and down Como I'm using red. Okay, then the others are white because my background is white. Okay, so you just simply click done when you're done with that, and you have something like this on your charts. Okay, zoom level 3 is cool. So you have something like this on your chart, and then you go. So now this is what happens whenever this happens, right? Look at this. Whenever you see, all right, so whenever you see price, whenever you see this Ichimoku come to this level, the 90 or 80 level, right, and then it turns blue. Once the color around that level is blue, then you should be expecting a spike. If you now go to the higher time frames to check, you notice that price is at your area where you highlighted, where you want to be trading from. You will notice that price is around that area. So let's back test. You can see that whenever price comes to this level, you see the spikes usually just happen. Okay, the spikes usually just happen whenever price comes to that level. You see the spikes usually just happen whenever price comes to that level, and the Chimoku color becomes blue, like in the cases here. You can see the spikes always just happen. All right, the spikes always just happen. So once you can see this, there are lots more of this happening on the chart. You can see now, if you want to be trading, see another one here, see another one, this is another one. All right, you can see it keeps spiking. Okay, so if you want to be trading the boom market, you want to do the opposite of what you're doing here. All right, you want to see that the Chimoku is at this other level. All right, you want to see that it is at this other level, guys. All right, so I will end this video here. I don't want it to be too long. Like I said in the beginning, I don't want it to be very long. I want it to be very comprehensive and very brief. So I'll end it here. If you have further questions, you can just hit me up on WhatsApp. I'll drop my WhatsApp link on the description of this video. I will also drop our Telegram link so you can join the free Telegram platform to see how we're doing, be a part of what we are doing. And also you could reach out if you have challenges, or if you want to whatever thing you want to reach out to me for, you just hit me up on WhatsApp, guys. So make sure you follow very well. Where you don't have or where you have challenges, when you have challenges, you can just hit me up, guys. So I'll see you guys on another video.